Hello everyone, this is Amir Nota, Product Development Engineer here at Beyond LED. Today I'm unboxing something truly game-changing, our new BeamPro area light. This is the only area light in the world that gives you every major wattages in one fixture. 100 watt, 150 watt, 200 watt, 240 watt, and even 300 watt, all adjustable with just a switch. That means distributor don't need to carry 5 SKUs. One light, all wattages, less shelf space. Inside the box, you get everything you need to install. No need extra parts required. It comes with universal mount that works with both round and square pole. Plus includes yoke mount, so you can even install it into a wall or a flat surfaces or a building. So let me open this box up here. So it comes with this instruction manual, the universal mount, which you can use it as a slip fitter, as a straight arm. Also it tilts and you can install it into a round pole and also a square pole. Not only this, it also comes with this yoke mount bracket. So if you have an installation needed on a building or somewhere as a flat surface, you can install this as well. It comes with this shorting cap, which you can replace it if you want to add a photo cell. So it comes with this as well in a box. So this is a light right up here. You can see I already took this thing out, so I can just show you how easy to adjust the wattages, CCT. This is only the area light in the world which is not only wattage adjustable or CCT adjustable, but it's also a beam angle adjustable with just a push of a button. Right here you can see you can use type 3, type 4, type 5 by just push of a button. You can change the CCT to 3K, 4K, 5K, and also adjust the wattage from 100 watt to all the way to 300 watt. 165 lumens per watt, so deliver up to almost 50,000 lumens. This light also offers the input voltage up to 347 volt, which is good for Canadian market. Not only that, this light comes with 7-year industry highest 7 years, no question asked warranty. And the reason we are able to give this warranty, because the major failures on area lights are due to the surge. So this light also has the industry highest 20 kV surge protection. Let's summarize this area light. All the wattages, 100 watt to go to up to 300 watt. All the CCTs, 3K, 4K, all the mounting brackets in the box, so you don't have to purchase anything. Input voltage all the way from 110 to 347 volt, so good for Canadian market as well. 7-year industry highest warranty, and you can change the beam angle from type 3, type 4, type 5 with just a push of a button. Very sleek design, lightweight, and if you need more information, you can contact your sales rep or visit our website. Thank you for watching.